Today we're showing you a 2017 New Holland T4.120 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just over 200 hours on it, so obviously is a very low hour tractor. Has the New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader. Bucket looks practically new. Has a global cell hookup here for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. Paint is excellent on the tractor and loader. Has the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Corner post exhaust. If you're looking for a clean 100+ horsepower tractor, this one's gonna fit the bill. Rear wiper, rear work lights. It does have triple rear remote outlets, 540 and 540E PTO, telescopic 3-point arms. Just a very, very sharp tractor, as you can see. I'll show you the inside of the cab. Looks similar to the outside, very, very clean. Has the Deluxe air ride seat here for the operator. Seat does swivel left and right. Also has the instructor seat here on the side. It does have the hand park brake, and then also your 540, 540E PTO selector here to the left of the seat. Tilt steering wheel, left hand hydraulic shuttle allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the 3 ranges down below for your ranges in your transmission, and then your 4 gears up top for your primary shifter. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also has a loader control here within easy reach. To the right you've got your 3 levers for your rear remotes, PTO engagement, hand throttle, 3-point all here to the right as well. 4-wheel drive engagement is also on that switch over there to the right, and then also your climate controls, radio, everything's up top there. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S., and we can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also take trade-ins. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.